Here we go. Here's the birthday boy.
Welcome to Eagle Adventures.
Very nicely. Now today we're gonna go to Trampo Oman for Isa's 8th birthday party. Do you know what cake it is?
Pokemon.
Pokemon cake? Are you sure? Let's have a sneak peek. Alright.
Hello guys, I'm the first person is here.
Who's the first person? Hi, Isa. Alright. What are you guys doing? Hey! Hey, 1, 2, 3! Go! Oh, let's go! Show the other boys.
What?
Okay. Go!
Subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell.
Whoa, you got max points.
Who let the dogs out? 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 Who let the and everybody I tell the fellas stop the name calling.
Tired. He was tired. Where's Abang?
Where's that one? Oh my god. Oh my god, there's even spiders.
Careful, careful, careful.
Thank you guys if you are watching this. Watch it! Welcome to Isa's Adventures again. Today we are unboxing my presents. We got it from Mushan. You were the first person. Oh my god, what the? It's a minigun. It's like ka-chow. Oh, I got a tongue. There's a tongue. Oh. How? There's no way. No way. Guys, no way. At least I have 2 of them now. I'm so happy. Okay, thank you. Imagine all of these presents with this. Ka-chow! Ka-chow! Okay, we're gonna open the biggest present. Hey! Thank you. Whoever you are gave me this. I will open this in my room later. Off camera. Lots of people knows I am an artist, so this is why I have like a lot of drawing things. This was from Batawar. I do not know how to open this. Thank you. This is from Batawar. Again. It's 2 presents for me. So let's open this one up. People think I'm artist. Yeah. Yeah, bruh. Oh my god. Okay. Thank you. Open that mission. Whoa! Oh! Is this from you? Yeah, or did I already done you? Whoever gave me this thing.
This one is signed.
My first greatest present. Oh, who gave me this? Who gave me this? Okay, still no name on this. Okay, this is from Himani.
A summer perfume making lab.
Oh, I need this. I really need this. From Aya, what?
Yeah.
Slime. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Aya. If you're watching this video, I'm saying thank you to you. Whoa! It's from Yakia. It's a time clock. I do not know how to say it. We got whatever is this. Oh, it's a cool.
Oh, you don't have to
I
get
got
rid of
black.
it.
I got black. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, that's so cool. So cute.
Banana, yeah, thank you so much. Who's it? Dana. Okay. Oh, I need this. I need this. Oh, thank you so much. Oh my God, thank you. This is my beauty. This is from Karam. Happy birthday, Isa. Paw Patrol from Karam. I have something like this, but
Can you turn it to the
this
camera?
one is more better.
Whoa!
This
I
is
know you
also
like
such
this
a
one.
good present. Thank you. Yes. Bro.
From Isaiah?
Yes. Thank you. This was my favorite thing ever. I swear. Turn the camera to all of these presents. Thank you for giving me all of these presents, and see me in the next video.